Hello guys, today we are going to make a watercolor winter painting, and here are the colors used. And we are going to use cotton balls and flat and round brush. As always, we are painting water. Now we will use cotton balls to make the sky with cobalt blue color. Just to make the corners dark. It will make it like original sky. Now we will use white color and dab it to the remaining area. We'll blend it with blue to the real sky-like feel. If there is extra water, you can remove it with the dry cotton ball. Okay, now we will use chrome green color to make the trees. As I said you earlier, we have to make the far situated trees with light color, and then we will use dark colors for the near trees. Trees should be thin from the top and broad from the bottom. Now we are using viridian hue as a green color for the near situated trees. Same procedure. Now we are mixing black with viridian hue and making the front line trees darker than the previous ones. So trees are done. Now we are making a moon and some stars. Okay, now tape removing part. Remove it carefully, not like me. I have torn it the sheet. It's the final output, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.